If you want to start a faceless YouTube channel, in today's tutorial I will introduce you to profitable faceless channels. The first channel I want to check out is Far From Average, a channel that talks about male self-development or dating men or advice for young men. For example, the topics for their video are like this: 5 ways to stop thinking about women all the time, or 5 mind hacks to talk to any girl, or 5 laws with unsaid value about men in general. We can say there are top 5 that only talk about men. This channel has 1.5 million subscribers. As you can see, their video views are very good. For example, if we look at their videos here and when we look at the most popular ones, we can see that sometimes some videos have up to 10 million views. It's true that the videos are from a few years ago, but this shows that the channel is very popular compared to the videos that have been posted. But when we look at the social blade of this channel, we see that they earn nearly $700 a month and $8,000 a year. But this income displayed here and these figures are completely wrong. And another problem of Social Blade is that sometimes you see a decrease in visits here, which means that you can see the decrease in visits here in Social Blade. The reason is that one of their videos may have been deleted or private, which makes us unable to see the exact statistics here, and this makes the exact figure confusing. But what I checked and researched, the CPM of these channels is $15, so this number that is displayed here is completely wrong. In my opinion, they can earn about $5,000 to $6,000 per month, but based on views that they get can even higher. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. The next channel I want to check is a profitable channel talking about cryptocurrencies. They say this channel is called CoinSkit, which is a great channel. They talk about cryptos. They don't show their face, and I talk about Bitcoin price, predictions, charts, and everything. As you can see, they have 270,000 subscribers. If we go to the social blade of this channel and check the income shown here, they give $1,500 per month. But we know one thing well, and that is that the CPM of these channels is higher than $20 to $25. So we can multiply this number by 5 or 6. So they can earn $6,000 and $7,000 a month, because CPM have decreased a bit in the digital currencies space. But still a great topic or niche to get into, getting in the right position. But the next channel that I want to introduce to you is in the technology category, which is very important and has many fans all over the world. The channel name is Solving the Money Problem, is talks about Tesla and Elon Musk in general. Their videos are number it receives significant views. That is, if you look at it, for example, it has received 50,000 to 56,000 views, and if we click on popular, it has received millions of views. If we look at the social blade of this channel, we will see that it shows a monthly income of nearly $8,000. But you may say to yourself that this income is very high, but the point is that the CPM of these channels is approximately between $20 and $30 per thousand views, because they're talking about stocks and technology, so we can't multiple by 5, so it's closer to an income that's going to be very high income, and that's great because they're putting their face do not show.